Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I prepared this yummy sauce, and who am I not to film it for you guys to see? Guys, just take a look at it. It looks very yummy. Let me introduce you to how I prepare this sauce. Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share. For this, we will need meat, kanda, cow intestine, everything inside. We'll also be needing onions. We'll need iru, we'll need crayfish. I'm using some fresh fish, and we'll also be needing fresh pepper, green bell pepper. We need tatashe, we need shambo. Everything washed and clean. If you don't have a blender, I got you covered. This is what I use. This manual one works as smoothly as a blender. Voila! Are you guys seeing how it's brought it out? Because you don't want even a drop of water inside the sauce. Then next up, you'll also be needing seasoning cubes, and you'll be needing salt. Then your bleached palm oil. I went ahead to fry my fish inside the palm oil because you want everything to taste in a local way and won't make sense die. Off camera, I find my meat, pomo and gbogwe inside. Then let's start the cooking process. We'll fry the onions in the oil. Then next up, we'll go in with our iru. Just stir everything to combine, because what, they need to understand the assignment. You know, have you? Yes. Then you go in with crayfish. Guys, you need this oil to be filled up with the flavor of everything, from the fish to the meat to the pomo, everything. Then you fry everything. Then you go in with the blended or the roughly chopped tatashe, shambo, and the rest of them. I'm putting my own in badges. Then I'm going to stir everything to make sure that they understand the assignment. I know you know. Just stir everything to combine, guys. I'll go ahead to cover the pot for some few minutes so that it will fry. Guys, it's frying in its glory. Then I'll go in with my seasoning cubes for taste. Guys, remember, I'm using different kind of seasoning cubes. I'm just using 2 for now. Then I'm going to stir everything to combine. I also went in with some crayfish. Then I will stir again. Off camera, I added in the fish and the beef. I'm stirring everything. Guys, you want to add this at this point because you want everything to fry so that the oil go enter all the corner of the meat, the fish, everywhere. When you're biting a part of it, you understand. I didn't add salt here because I wanted the meat and the fish to release the juice they already have. So I will now test to know if I'm supposed to continue. I went in with my crayfish again. Guys, you know that crayfish, we used to baptize food with crayfish because the taste crayfish gives to your food is on another level. If you know, you know. Then you're going to just stir everything to combine and make sure that it is well arranged inside. Then you cover your pot and allow it to fry for another few minutes. Are you just seeing the sauce? I'm adding my salt now because when I tested it, my salt was not enough, so I'm adding salt now. I will stir and allow it fry for a few minutes so that the salt will incorporate in the meal. Yeah, English. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I think it's the time you need to do so. Please subscribe, smash that red subscribe button. Guys, it is free. Like, share, comment. And guess what? My name is Rosemary. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And please, guys, just admire this food in its glory. Oh God. Oh God. Guys, subscribe, like, share, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Yummy, yummy.